Hey there! Welcome to our one-on-one tutorial on how to insert images in Google Docs. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to add visually appealing images to your documents. So let's jump right in. For our first section, we'll be discussing how to upload images from your computer. So first, let's go to our top menu and click the Insert, Image, then click the Upload from Computer. Then click our desired image, then open. Then there you have it, a cute cat. Easy peasy, right? So how about if you want to insert images from the web? So let's get back to our Insert in the top menu, Image, then just below the Upload from Computer is the Search the Web. So here, let's search for a cute dog here. We can select a lot of images. As you see, I have selected 3 images already, but I'll choose one image for now. Then click Insert. Okay, so my cat was removed. I'll just get back. Ctrl Z for undo. Then I'll just click here and press enter. Do that again. Insert image, search web. Then click the dog. Insert. So there you have it.
Wow.
Inserting images from the web. Let's discuss about adjusting image size, position, and alignment. What if you want our cat to be small? Just click the image or the cat here. Then drag at the corner. Click at the corner. Then drag. As small as you want, you know. Then if you want it bigger, we can make it bigger. Just like that.
Wow.
So, how about if we want to position our image? Meaning, just placing this dog at the top or above the cat. Simply just click the dog here, then drag above the cat. As simple as that.
Wow.
Then, what about if you want our image to be aligned? So for now, our dog is aligned left. But what if we want to make that dog move at the right? So just click the dog. Then at the toolbar section, click at the align. Then click at the right alignment. So there you have it. We can also make it center.
Wow.
There. And our next section will be image formatting and wrap text options. If you want our cat to be adjusted, simply click the cat and we have an option here. We can click that, or we can also click it. Just simply click the right click, then image options. We can adjust the opacity here, brightness, and contrast. Or we can simply adjust our color to make it red, yellow, or even blue.
Wow.
That's it. So what if you want our image to be wrapped by text? So we can remove our cat here already. Let's make our dog left align because we will be inserting a text. So let's find a dummy text. Then, let's add our image here, our text here. So, by doing text wrapping, we can merge our text with the image simply by just clicking the image and choosing the wrap text here. So there you have it. Our text is now merged with the image. Just like in the newspaper where the text is merged with the image. And there you have it. You now know how to insert and format images in Google Docs like a pro. Remember to experiment with different placements and styles to make your documents visually appealing and engaging. Have fun with it! Thanks for joining me in this one-on-one tutorial in inserting images in Google Docs. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Now, go ahead and add some stunning visuals to your Google Docs documents.